Hello readers, how are you? I hope you guys are good. Guys, thank you for liking and subscribing my channel. I see that you guys are doing very good. I feel very proud. You guys are learning as well as earning. Guys, keep it up. So guys, चलिए आज का डे एनालिसिस पे बात करते हैं. गाइज आज मैंने मार्केट में 24,000 रुपीज़ का प्रॉफिट किया जस्ट बिकॉज आज बैंक निफ्टी एक्सपायरी था. तो आई न्यू दैट बैंक निफ्टी विल नॉट गिव मच बिग मूवमेंट. So bank nifty went sideways and nifty went downside. It is because कि जो big players है ना, they don't want to lose their money. All the option things like option geeks, Delta, Vega, IV, they all went zero. Okay, everything went zero. So they lost the option moneyness in their contract. Okay, so guys, that is the simple reason. And guys, I see the past yesterday there was a sudden spike in the market movement. Okay, lot of the trader lost a good amount of money, and then the market went upside also. It went downside also. So guys, consider this as a March month end. It also happened previous year also, because a lot of the big companies, they try to change their portfolio. Okay, so this type of movement is expected. And guys, try to understand that it is a good moment to catch a good intraday movement. Okay, try to catch some trends. Okay, and definitely you'll get some good trades out from it for intraday purpose. And then don't panic, guys. Follow your proper risk management, trade wisely, and don't lose money. Try to earn money and do it under someone guidance. Don't do it all alone, guys. So guys, that much for today's video. Thank you for liking and subscribing, guys. Keep sharing, keep learning. All of the descriptions are given below. So guys, thank you.